All right, Craig, so that's how rewarding it was for us to get some sunshine today.
Yeah, we did get some sunshine today. It's a beautiful evening. Sun going down. Here's our Keys camera this evening. The sun sinking in the west. A few of the Sunset Cruise, well, here they are. They're over on this side. The Sunset Cruise sailboats out there catching the beautiful sunset tonight. One lone cloud out there, kind of the shape of, what is that? That looks like a shark, kind of. 80 in Miami, 78 Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood, 81 in Key West. 3 on the stickiness scale. Humidity not too bad. East-southeast breeze at 9. We saw a little tiny bit of rain today across parts of South Florida. Temperatures, though, made it into the mid-80s. Normal high is 78. So a return to this warmth has occurred, and we're going to see it for much of the week. We really aren't going to drop temperature-wise until Friday when a cold front comes through Thursday night. Current readings upper 70s to the low 80s. The winds are out of the east to southeast, anywhere from about 6 to 12 miles an hour. And that southeasterly breeze is going to keep the humidity levels up again, as well as the temperatures. The satellite loop through the day today showing the clouds blowing slowly off to the northwest. Other than that, beautiful out there. To the north, across North Florida, there is a stationary front right now, and that's separating 60s way up there from 70s and 80s down the rest of the peninsula. Also, there's a bit of moisture still around, although there's nothing to really squeeze it out of the atmosphere right now. So moisture for stray showers is present for much of the week. Really not until we get to Friday that we see the moisture increase with this next cold front that comes down, and the winds are going to be picking up behind this front. There's a pretty strong area of high pressure also moving in behind that front. Right now, winter is occurring over the upper Midwest from Minnesota through Wisconsin and Michigan there, northern Illinois and Indiana as well, catching a bit of that snow there. Elsewhere, it's pretty quiet across the country, not too much going on. In the west, mostly quiet, and mostly quiet in the east, but it unfortunately looks like it's going to be another wet pattern developing across much of the deep south. Temperatures across the nation right now kind of split. The nation split in half. Southern half is above normal. The northern half is running near or below normal with temperatures there in the 30s. Our forecast for tonight looking good. A nice night, not as cool, maybe a stray shower, a low near 72. Tomorrow look for a good deal of sunshine, plenty of sunshine, maybe a brief shower. Very warm temperatures once again in the mid 80s for highs. For boaters, really no problems on the water. The wind east-southeast tomorrow, averaging about 15, seas running 2 to 4 feet, a moderate chop on the bays, and the surf temperature 77. The rest of the week, your Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday are pretty warm in the mid-80s. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday temperatures closer to normal, but the cost of that is a breezy condition as well as some passing showers. Back to you.
Craig, appreciate it. Tonight